St. Mark's Campanile in Venice, towering majestically over Piazza San Marco, is one of the city's most treasured historic landmarks. Originally constructed in the 9th century as a watchtower, it was rebuilt in the 16th century in Renaissance style. This bell tower stands 98.6 meters tall. Unfortunately, we were on a tight schedule the day we were there, so there was no time to go to the top. But the tower is renowned for its extraordinary views, which include panoramic vistas of the lagoon, nearby islands, and architectural gems. Among Piazza San Marco attractions, this iconic structure holds a special allure for history enthusiasts and photography lovers alike. When visiting St. Mark's Bell Tower, prepare for an unforgettable perspective on Venice, a highlight among the top things to do in Piazza San Marco.